I feel good.
After a whole night of stumbling in the dark, simply being able to see the path ahead feels like euphoria.
Great race, man. It's going to be a fastie. I wanted to take a nap, but I sucked it up. Bye-bye.
The bulk of the runners hit the turnaround point just as the sun rises. The combination of the light of day and making it halfway is encouraging. While the flu slowed Jenny for the night, by mile 50 she moved still from the back to the middle of the pack.
Ginger's good for the stomach.
And then of course my IT bands are totally flared up, but I'll finish.
That's some ibuprofen too.
I might be last, but I'll finish.
Chris has also refound strength and is quickly gaining on Harlan and Keith, who are nearly 15 miles ahead of him.
My energy level went up and I felt great, and it felt powerful running through the woods. I felt very light on my feet. It felt effortless.
Most everyone has a new hope and inspiration from their surroundings.
Internal alarm clock goes off and I felt really good. So I got all excited, put some more upbeat music onto my iPod, had a downhill grade, so it just took off flying. Had a good time, was feeling good about it, and just really pressed. And made the decision, hey, maybe I can go and try to chase down Keith.
Seeing tons of beautiful scenery and covering this, vast terrain. I mean, like you just really feel fulfilled.
I think it's the most primitive form of transport, and it brings me back there to our primal roots. And I just feel one with God and nature.
I have seen some areas at different times of the day that I know other people haven't, and in ways that other people haven't.
It's kind of a given that we're all in this kind of cool adventure together. Nature has a faithfulness. When you're in shape, you feel confident. When you're in nature, when you're moving, when you're being challenged, those are cool things. And that you get in touch with your humanity then.